Prairie dog burrow. Well, son of a bitches.
DIY. Yeah, I open the box and you watch me. Got this smart switch here. It's wireless. All right, so let's see what's in here. Got that sticker in there. They don't want you to take it out of the box, but this is about. Let's see. Yeah, they got that in there. Got that. Let me pause this while I fight this. Okay. All right, got this little cover. Got the manual. Got the smart switch right there. And there's the remote. You have your wiring kit right there. Hook up your wires. And everything's all bundled up pretty good. Hang on. Okay. Cut this thing open. I can pull it out. We'll turn the house into a smart house. This is one avenue you can go in doing just that. Now I was looking at this with a ceiling fan. I have what they call one of them dumb ceiling fans. They dumb now because they come with a remote control. But now, instead of replacing it, like some people have, you can just get this. So there's your wiring, your caps right there. Tighten up your wires. Here's your little remote right here. So you can place this anywhere. Or I think this right here, this comes into place somewhere. Well, it's in the manual, so you can look into that later on your own. There's your wiring. Set it on top of here. So don't scratch it up. There's all your wires. You got 1, 2. You got a red one, a white one, a black one, a blue one, and a green one in there to hook all that up. Okay. Then you can utilize your light and the fan remotely with this. Nice and small. This part here slides on something. So this comes into play somewhere with that, but you have to look into the manual and find out about that. This is what's on the box. Okay. Switch and remote. Easily add wireless control. And there you go. There's the switch, there's the light, there's a cover, there's a little remote. And right here, there you go. Replace an existing three-way switch and add a new control anywhere in your home. There you go. That's all you need. Lowe's or Home Depot. Pick it up. Kind of big too, right? So what do you do if you have two existing switches right now? Let's say your room, you have two light switches when you come in there and they only on one wall. Okay? You're gonna have to take this face off right here because the other switch is gonna be on the other side. So this is not gonna work. So you would have to get this if you want to leave the other switch up there, or you can cover it up. They have many different applications you can use. So there you go. Once again, I opened it and you watched it. That's a good problem solver right there, right? Okay, so once again, if you have what they call them now a dumb ceiling fan that you have to pull the chain for the different speeds. Now you can utilize this and you can turn it on and off, and the lights on the fan if you have them with this remote right here. There you go. One more thing, go on YouTube and look up Amazing But What Do You See? Look up Amazing But What Do You See? Amaze your family and friends with that. All right? Take care and thanks for watching. Give it a like so other folks can see it. Don't hide me, divide me with other people. Let us see it. All right? Take care. Thank you.
It's just terrible.
And we close on that.